Unexpected car trouble can happen at any time, but it doesn't have to induce panic. So, I have a few tips to help you should it ever happen. Turn on your hazard lights, aka your flashers, at the first sign of trouble and keep them on until help arrives. Slow down and pull off the road immediately, as far away from traffic as possible and into a safe area if you can. Stay in your vehicle. If you must leave your car, be sure to watch for traffic. Make yourself more visible by putting up your car's hood. This lets other drivers know that you're broken down and to proceed with caution. If you have them, set up road flares or reflective triangles to further alert other drivers. Call the number of a tow truck or roadside assistance service. If you're unsure who to contact or if it's a true emergency, call the local police for help. If you don't have a roadside assistance service, such as through your car's warranty, it's a good idea to look into one through your insurance company or an independent provider such as AAA. Remember, like many things, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it.